Hi, it's Peter from WPAI Content Writer plugin. It's easy to set up headings that will be used for generating content using WPAI Content Writer. In this video, I will show you how to set the number of headings, auto-generate them, change headings tags, and add custom headings or regenerate new headings. The first step is to make sure you have installed and activated WPAI Content Writer plugin and also added your openAI API key. Now go to Add Posts. And click on the WPAI Content Writer icon. This will open a pop-up. Here add the title for which you want to generate an article. Set up the number of headings you want in the article. When you click on Next, then WPAI Content Writer will automatically generate a list of headings for you using openAI. Once the headings are generated, then you can change the heading tag for each heading. Delete them. Add your custom headings, as well as regenerate the headings. After you are happy with your headings, then move on to the next step and generate the article. Once the article is generated, then you can edit it easily, as the WPAI Content Writer adds the content in the Gutenberg editor itself.